Hate dusting? Check out 20 incredible proven tricks to say goodbye to dust. The less dust in the house, the happier and healthier people are. Unfortunately, it's not always that easy, and getting rid of dust can feel like fighting windmills. We found some incredible tricks to help you battle dust in any home. Clean quickly, efficiently, and, most importantly, simply and cheaply. Take a look. 1. Wet wipes. Wet wipes are an irreplaceable helper for any cleaning task. Don't be afraid to use them on keyboards or laptops. Just turn them over, shake out the crumbs, and wipe. The result will be great. 2. Fabric softener. To prevent dust from settling on any surface, try this solution. Mix 1 part fabric softener with 4 parts water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and use it as needed to clean everything: shelves, furniture, glass, mirrors, and even TV screens. 3. Cloth gloves. A pair of simple cloth gloves can help when cleaning delicate surfaces. This way, you can easily clean chandeliers, lamps, glass accessories, and figurines. The fabric collects dust, making cleaning much easier. 4. Soft brushes and brooms. To clean hard-to-reach places, use brushes and brooms with natural bristles. Even details deserve your attention. 5. Old socks. Put a clean, old sock on your hand and wipe dust from blinds or shutters quickly. Slip it onto a mop and see how easily it removes dust from under the bed or furniture. 6. Toilet paper roll. This little thing is essential for every vacuuming session. Slide it onto the vacuum hose to clean even the hardest to reach places. The cardboard bends, making it easy to change its shape and clean everything. 7. Top to bottom. To prevent dust from falling from one surface to another, dust from top to bottom. Doing this will save you a lot of time and effort. Start with lamps, fans, the tops of doors, and then move on to the bedside table. 8. Humidity level. Maintaining a humidity balance of around 40 to 50% can often prevent dust accumulation in large amounts. 9. Knickknacks and souvenirs. To prevent dust from accumulating quickly and ensure easy cleaning, get rid of most of the souvenirs and knickknacks you have at home. The fewer there are, the cleaner your home will be. Keep valuable pieces in closed glass cabinets. 10. Curtains. We usually forget about curtains and drapes, even though they are literally covered in dust, especially if they are synthetic. 11. Closed windows. If you want to get rid of dust, you will need to get used to closed windows. It is obvious that you should ventilate a few times a day. However, if you want to prevent dust from accumulating, do not leave windows open day and night. 12. Clean plants. Houseplants are the lungs of your apartment, helping you fight dust. If you regularly wash all plants in the bathroom, they will be more effective in cleaning the air. 13. Clean your carpet. The fewer carpets, the less dust. If you want to have a carpet, opt for a small and easily removable one. Vacuum it at least once a week and steam clean it at least once a month. This way, dust will not accumulate in the deepest layers of the fabric. Synthetic fabric collects dust. 14. Fabric surfaces. A roller with a sticky surface can help clean lampshades, decorative pillows, and other fabric surfaces. 15. Wet cleaning. Frequent wet cleaning will make your home look much tidier, and the air will be easier to breathe. Water removes 90% of dust. If you have to choose between dry and wet cleaning, definitely go for the latter. 16. Store occasional clothes in cases. Clothes, blankets, guest pillows, and woolen throws, all of these are the main sources of dust in the house. To minimize the amount of dust, store such items in special covers or bags. 17. Use alcohol on bulbs. You can remove dust from bulbs with alcohol. Just wipe them with a damp cloth and let them dry. You will see the difference. 18. Polishing. Always apply polish, wax, or paste to the cloth. Otherwise, the opposite unwanted effect will occur, and dust will accumulate faster. 19. Clean filters. The less often you change filters, the more dust you have in your home. If you use vacuum cleaners and ventilation systems with dirty filters, they will send dust back into the air, accumulating on surfaces. 20. Microfiber cloths. A good microfiber cloth can work wonders. Not only does it pick up dust from surfaces, but it also doesn't let even the smallest dust particles back into the air. You can use such a cloth on any surface, from floor to ceiling. You can easily attach it to a mop using a rubber band.